I'm Dave from Thomas Jacks, and here's how to switch to combined mode or duo mode with the Pulsar Symbion multispectral binoculars, because this is one of the main reasons why people choose a Pulsar Symbion. Now, this button here, a short press on that will take you from thermal to digital and then back to thermal again. A long press on the same button, that opens up a picture-in-picture window that puts you into duo mode. Because seeing in thermal and digital together, either like this or this, well, you can instantly see how useful that is. So you turn on duo mode with a long press, and once that picture-in-picture window is open, tap that button and it'll switch priority from thermal to digital. And to return to the full screen, it's just another long tap on that same button to close the picture-in-picture window. And from there, you've got the full screen to zoom in on. And that's just another way that Pulsar Symbion puts you in control.